Alright everybody, took the box out. Here we go. Let's open this up and see what we have. Alright, now strapping tape. How do I want to cut this? This is the first time I've ever ordered a fish online, and I hope I'm doing this all correctly, so feel free to comment on this video. And what do we have in here? There's the fishy. There he is. You look so pretty. There he is. He looks a little sad, looks a little stressed out, but I promise I will take good care of you, fishy. I promise. You don't look so happy in there. Alright, well, you can see he's in the bag, he's being shipped, and next step is I'm going to be floating him in the tank for about half an hour, and hopefully he will perk up. So I will upload another video of him once he is in the tank. So have a great day everybody, and I will be talking to you soon. Bye.